Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Just want to do a quick vid today of some upgrades recently done to my bike, the Bird Aeris 120. Gonna quickly talk through some bits and pieces that have been changed, hopefully improve my experience out there on the trails. Hit the Wrekin, sometimes the Arkle quite regularly, so do check out my other vids on the channel. After I've talked through the upgrades, we're going to go straight into a video of a run where I'll be testing out the changes, especially these Magic Marys. The change of the front tyres are going to do for grip levels, so stay tuned and see how I get on. This is the Aeris 120 from Bird Cycle Works. 27.5-inch wheels with 130mm travel on the front and 120mm on the rear. RockShox's Revelation forks have been upgraded from 130 to 140mm using their Debonair Airspring upgrade kit. Travel on the rear has also been increased from 120 to 130mm thanks to this triple R linkage kit from Bird. Here's the original rocker link. As you can see, the bearings have seen better days, so also nice to get these refreshed at the same time. Was running DMR death grips, but have switched to these Ergon GE ones, which I find really comfortable. Swapped the seat clamp from quick release to fixed version just because it looks cleaner with the dropper post. Had to replace the fabric scoop saddle because, as you will see, coming off one of the steeper Wrekin trails recently didn't fare too well for the old one. And finally, the change which I think will make the biggest difference. Switching up the front tyres from the Maxxis DHFs over to these new Magic Marys, which are better suited for the winter trail conditions. So, let's crack on. Okay, conditions look prime today. See how these Magic Marys get on. So far so good. Hopefully they'll bite into the loose dirt and mud a little bit better than my previous Maxxis DHFs, which I found not that grippy. Yeah, that's good. Liking it already. Biting in to some of the looser stuff. Not as wet as the last time I came down here the other day. Oh. Oh. Oh, just made it. Just made it. We'll try and go faster, but I'm knackered. Yeah, much more grippy. Oh. Come on. Oh, f***ing hell, I missed the turn. Sorry guys, Strava lining big time. Oh. 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 Getting tired there. Oh. I've got to say, changing the front tyres from the Maxxis DHF, which I had on before, to these Schwalbe Magic Marys has been a really good decision. I feel like I'm getting so much more front end grip. Just wish I'd done this sooner, because it would have saved me a lot of dabs and washouts on all the runs I've been doing over the past few weeks. In a nutshell, Magic Marys, top tyre, highly recommended, guys. Thanks for watching, folks, and if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Appreciate the support, and I'll catch you on the next one.